You boys already know it's gonna be a good day when we're taking out the Z. Little vlog today. Something slight. I haven't made a vlog in a while, so decided to do one today. So the Z is making a horrible noise. Everybody keeps looking at me when I drive this thing, and it's starting to piss me off because I ran something over and now my plastic under tray is dragging and it's making the loudest scratching noise on the road. And every single time I drive the car, people are like giving me this look like, what the is wrong with your car, bro? But there's nothing really wrong with it. It's just sounds nasty. But so I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna set the camera up like right here, and I'm gonna drive by just so you guys can hear it, because this sounds disgusting. Please tell me that does not sound horrible. That sounds like shit, bro, and it's embarrassing. So we're fixing it today. Keep that shit over there. I don't want it. I don't want it to sound like that no more. So we're gonna fix it. I don't know if I'm gonna take the whole plastic thing off, or if I'm just gonna like yeet it, just cut that shit off. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Whatever is easiest, honestly, because I think I'm just gonna buy like an aluminum under shroud for it. That's gonna be pretty dope. So I don't really care. This one's already f***ed up. It's already all messed up. So we're just gonna. I just want it to not drag. So I think I'm just gonna cut it, because I don't really feel like unbolting the whole thing and like getting under the car and shit, because I'm lazy. Okay, so no cap, I've been searching in the garage for tools and can't find anything. And now I'm gonna use a steak knife to cut the plastic. Oh, the camera. Oh, it's on my tripod. I almost fell, Jesus. But so now we're gonna use this this steak knife to cut that piece off so that I can stop sounding ugly while driving. So let's see what we can do. Oh yeah, she's been dragging hella. Okay boys, fast forward like 15 minutes. This is one little piece, and this is the big I was just hearing this, bro, while I was driving. That's all you could hear, but they're both cut off now. So I'm so happy to drive this real quick. Basically, I'm gonna show you guys the same shot as before. I'm gonna see if this is still. It shouldn't, because you guys can see there's nothing that could possibly make a dragging sound. But I'm probably gonna get a car wash, because I have washed this car once and I've owned it for 3 months already. This car still doesn't feel like it's my car. I don't really, like, compared to the Lexus, like, I love the Lexus. Like, I always keep it clean. I keep the interior clean. This car, I haven't really gotten attached to it yet, so I don't really care about it, if that makes sense. No more anymore. Thank God. Get that shit out of here. I don't even want to look at it. But yeah, go crazy. Dan's gonna come over, the dude with the red Genesis. Hey, I'm with Dan Man right now. Yo, can you get a video of a cold start?
Yeah, I got you.
You guys are about to hear how fucking quiet a stock Z is.
She do sound alright though.
She's quiet. Does she sound good though, guys? Comment down below.
I mean, it's quiet. You definitely.
This sexy ass thing.
Oh shit! I didn't tell you.
What?
Look at this.
What? Did you get hit or something?
Bad.
Did you get hit?
It's bad.
What?
Look at this. Bro.
Oh, what? Focus, camera.
On the
focus. Door. Wow, dude, you actually got. Why won't it focus? Yeah, dude, you got sideswiped.
Hella poke from this angle, so. Tight.
Dude, your door is f***ed.
Oh, I know.
Make an insurance claim, my guy.
I'm gonna have to.
You have to, bro. Your metal fender is literally super fucked up.
Yeah.
Dude. People, bro. Dude, if somebody, that's literally a hit and run.
Dude,
That's the definition of a hit and run. Literally, this little, I doubt you guys will be able to see it, but there's a dent right here. That was not there when I bought this car. Like 3 weeks and having it, then that dent popped out of nowhere. Somebody definitely just like bumper bumped me. Oh, yeah. All right.
Stay like way back there. It sounds like shit up here.
Okay.
She's warm, so I feel like
Yeah, she sounds nice though. These cars are very slept on, but they rip. 3.8,
more than you might think.
reppin', rush. This thing literally is so tail happy. It drifts pretty easily.
It does.
This thing drifts pretty fucking easily too, but she's stock, very stock. Not for long though. Yeah, this is my boy Alex's whip. Officially on the Rush Vlogs.
Yes, sir.
Alex, Instagram right there. Boom. A little V8 Mercedes action. I don't know shit about Mercedes cars, but his rims are fucking nice as hell. Wait, is this your IG right here?
Yeah.
Oh, bet.
That's my IG.
Bet. And the bro sells kicks, so I'll link that too.
Day 2.
What is up, everybody? It is your boy Ryan Rush, and I'm back to you with another vlog today. Right now, I'm about to meet up with Aaron. We're about to go on a hike. I'm running late, so I already got the Z warming up, and we're just gonna get straight to it and go meet him there. See ya. What's up, guys? We're with Aaron,
Yo, what up?
and we just found this little makeout spot, like right off the trail of this hike. It's got all these hearts and initials, all these hearts and like initials and stuff engraved into the tree. Little cool little spot. What is this hike called?
Tree people.
Tree People. So if you got a shorty, bring her to Beverly Hills and bring her to this spot. Oh yeah, here we go. Just a good view of the valley. Tell the people what the what the valley's known for.
Porn.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, that looks smart. Oh yeah, the master of balance. I forgot about that. All right, boys. Me and Aaron finished our hike. Now, since we're already here in Beverly Hills and Coldwater Canyons, we're just gonna start ripping the canyons. Oh yeah. And then, yeah, and I'm probably gonna head out and we'll see what the rest of the day has in store for the vlog. One thing about the Z is that the gas mileage is absolutely horrible. I couldn't, what's it called? Oh, get it exactly at 40. It got to $40.04. Rip. Wait, okay, so we might go get a car wash right now. We might not. I don't know. This new Justin Bieber fucking album is super lit. It's actually super good. And I never thought that would be coming out of my mouth, but it just did. So don't judge. All right, boys. We're on our way to go meet up with George, TK, and all the other boys with all the whips. And we might hit a meet tonight. We don't know. We're still trying to find one. But yeah, keep y'all updated. What do you know, boys? We ended up at the car wash. I don't want to bore you with just washing car, so I will not film me washing car. Bye-bye. Guys, look at this view. This is so sick.
I turn the news on when I smell death in the